guys, today we are going to KL Bird Park. But unfortunately, when we stopped in
KL Central Station
no
and the
lift.
lift isn't working, so I'm gonna see.
Okay.
I do apologise, I was cleaning the house this morning with a load of dust up and house.
Yeah, so now we are going to the next
stop,
which is
Pasar Seni, something like that.
yeah, and
there is working lifts there because I was there a few days ago getting some paperwork sorted for visas.
okay, so now we are waiting for the train to come. So I'll sign off for a bit and then we'll see you again. Which way are we going? I hope there will be a lift in here. Let's see. Having a double prom is not easy. There's no lift. Unfortunately, there's no lift. Oh my god. We're just gonna carry the pram.
Down here, it's like there's no thing. We might be able to get into the park.
So it's on the other side.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go then.
Yeah, but it's like behind all that stuff, it's not. Between the things, the back wheels go between. The front wheel on the back.
Museum Negara, Kuala Lumpur. You can hear now the birds chirping. Let's get something to eat, hon. I'm starving after walking forever. I think we're almost now. It was a long way.
Many steps.
What, hon?
Many steps.
Many steps, yes, and there's no lift at all going in here. We have to go up and down. It was a nightmare. Here we are now at KL Bird Park. Get the ticket. 63 ringgit for adults, and for child it's 42 ringgit, 3 to 11 years old. I think below 3 years old is free. So Mori and Shanta will be free, but Shanta is almost free, so that's fine. Okay, we've got our ticket now and we pay for two, so our children are free.
Under 4.
Huh?
Under 4.
Under 4, it's not under 3? It's not. It's under 3. It's under 3 is free and not under 4. So our children are free admission. Okay, let's go now and let's see what's inside.
Lucky Chantal got a month.
Huh? Yeah. After a month, you'll be 3.
thing.
Hello, little birdie.
Just looking at you.
Hello, little birdie. Hello.
Oh, you're sleepy, are you? Sleep time now. That's why.
Isn't it pretty?
Daily activities. Picture her face, huh? She was happy to see it. Chantal, look on the token bird, oh? You see that in the night garden. Where are we going? It's very big. Flamingos is quite big. Come on, let's So that's all for today, guys. We're going home now after the long walk and just little time of tour. It was only like 2 hours, less than 2 hours, because we depart around 2 o'clock and then we arrive at 4:30, then we have to eat, and then we get in about 5 o'clock, and then 6:45 we leave, so it's so little time. And our
Many stairs. Oh, many stairs. Not inside the park. Inside the park, easy access, easy to push around. Some of the paths were a little bit lopsided, and caused things to go a little bit sidewaysy. But getting through the doors between the different areas was a bit of a problem. But mostly it was fine.
yeah, it's not easy if you have prom, you have children, you know, it's like that.
It's
But
to get to from the station.
it's fine if you're just
where you go.
going, you just go there
Going directly there.
empty-handed. Yeah.
Or even if you're going there, like get a grab, do something. Just, you know, once you're there, it's fine. And it's really not that many problems there. It's easy access once you're actually there. getting there from any of the train stations nearby or anything like that is a real headache, and it's all lots of steps, lots of stairs, lots of ways you've got to cut through things, and it's quite a distance. I mean, it's pretty much 2 kilometers to each and every train station that's nearby. So.
Yeah, so right now we're waiting for the train to arrive going home. So I guess it's a bye-bye now. How about you, Chantel? Do you want to say bye-bye? Okay. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Please.
Can you?
Yeah. She feel better now because she had a little nap. Yeah. Okay, I'll see you again in our next vlog. Bye-bye.